Hello all, I am S.B. Zadav, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Welcome back to the lecture series on the CNC part programming. Let's discuss the format of part programming in detail. We know that instructions given to CNC are in the form of codes. These codes are necessary to be in correct format. Different control systems have slightly different formats for part programming, but in general, following terms are important. Block. Block is a group of word or group of coded instructions for the NC or CNC system to execute a particular movement. This block is ended by using EOB in capital letters or a semicolon at the end. Each coded instruction in part program is called as a word. A 4-digit number follows the letter O in the program numbering. The program numbers can be configured in the manner that allows general programs, custom macro programs, and machine tool macro programs in which the number varies from 0 to 9999. The sequence number is also known as encode is used to identify the block within the NC or CNC program. The block can be searched in the program by the controller through the sequence number. The sequence number is designated by letter N followed by 3-digit numbers. For example, N100 or N120, etc. Some controllers require sequence numbers to be input in ascending order, while other controllers allow any 3-digit numbers after letter N. There are preparatory functions which are also known as G codes are used to prepare the controller for instructions that are to follow. The letter G is followed by a 2-digit number. The 2-digit number prefixed by letter G indicates predefined function. For example, the code G02 is used to prepare NC controller unit for circular interpolation along an arc in clockwise direction. There are coordinate functions which designate the position of the tool. In a 2-axis system, only 2 of the words would be used. For example, tool tip coordinates 100, 25 are represented as x100, y25. Next function is a feed function. This function is used to specify the feed rate. The letter F is followed by the feed rate in mm per minute. For example, F90 indicates feed rate is 90 mm per minute. Once feed rate is programmed in block, it remains in all subsequent blocks till it is replaced by another F value. There is a spindle speed function which specifies the speed of the spindle. The letter S is followed by spindle speed in RPM. For example, if there is a code S1200, then it means that the spindle will rotate at the speed of 1200 RPM, that is revolutions per minute. Next is tool functions. This word is needed only for machines with the tool turret or automatic tool changer. It indicates which tool is to be used in the next operation. For example, T05 indicates a tool in turret position 5. Then last are the miscellaneous functions. These are also known as M codes. These are used for indicating the miscellaneous functions like coolant on or off, spindle on or off, spindle in clockwise direction rotation or anti-clockwise direction rotation, program stop, etc. all these terms are used in a particular manner which is called as format of the block. Any part program contains number of blocks. Each block contains number of words. The format is the method of writing the words in each block. The different formats are used in NC or CNC programming depending upon the requirement of NC or CNC controller. Irrespective of the format, each block must contain words in the given manner. This is all about the format of a block in the part programming. Thanks for listening and have a good day.